When we're thinking about our cues, I want you to focus on the line of approach rather than the obstacle itself. So that would be in the diagram, the solid line. And I want you to think about that dog's path to get to that obstacle, and your focus point on that path is going to form approximately a 45-degree angle. What this does is this really helps us to support like what side of that object we want our dog to go to. It just really increases the clarity for them. I want you to think if that object was a jump wing on an actual jump, then we have two very different paths. One path we're going to be cueing the front side of the jump, and one path we're going to be cueing the back side of the jump. If we focus on the line of approach rather than the obstacle, our cues to the dog become much more clear. The first game that we're going to look at is multiple objects with limited movement. So I want you to picture a box in the center of your work area, and each send is going to be from that box. So what that's going to look like in practice. So step to commit, and reward. So this is different dog, different handler, and she's just utilizing some natural objects in her yard to play this game. And she did one easier rap, now one harder rap. Now she's going to do one really hard rap. So again, intersperse reps that are easier for your dog. Don't be working at the top end of their skill level at all times.